वेलकम बैक टू द स्टूडियो। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे। बड़ी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर यहाँ पे रिलीज़ हो चुकी है, उसी को देखेंगे इस वीडियो के माध्यम से। एंड चैनल को यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब कर लेना दोस्तों, फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग, पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अपकमिंग अपडेट्स के लिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर हेयर। बड़ा ही इम्पॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर है, दैट इज़ बीइंग रिलीज्ड बाय द यूनियन हेयर. So please make sure to share this update because this is something very important the union has been demanding. So friends, यहाँ पे to the Chief Executive Indian Bank Association 24th of December, you can see the date here. To the Indian Bank Association को यहाँ पे write down हुआ है in relation to the 8088 क्या है पूरा. So payment of dearness relief, that is DR, change of the base year from 1916 as a 100 series to 2016 as a 100 series. It is known that in terms of the 12th BPS 9th joint note dated 8th March 24 agreed between the Indian Bank Association and Workmen Union officer organizations with effect from 1st of November 2022. The base year for the payment of DR has been changed from 1916 as a 100 to 2016 as a 100 series. Likewise, bank pensioners who have retired on and from 1st November 22 are also paid dearness relief on the basis of CPI, that is 2016 as a 100 series. So we are receiving representations from many pensioners who have retired prior to 1st November 2022 seeking uniform dearness relief on the basis of CPI 2016 as a 100 series so as to adjust the underpayment of dearness relief on account of errors in conversion of CPI from the present 2016 as a 100 series to 1916 as a 100, and also on account of higher rounding of slab rate under the above referred bipartite agreement in joint note. The dearness relief for those pensioners who have retired prior to 1st November 2022 is still paid on the basis of CPI 1916 as a 100. So despite changes in base year of CPI in 1982, 2001 and 2016 by converting the index numbers. So आप यहाँ पे देख सकते. So after that you can see the dearness relief for those pensioners who have retired prior to 1st November 22 is still paid on the basis of CPI, that is 1916 as a 100 series, despite the changes in the base year of CPI in 1982, 2001, 2016 by converting the index numbers with the applicable link factors. So such conversions also result in fixation of various dearness relief rates for pensioners in accordance with their dates of retirement, the period of BPS joint note during which they are retired, and the process in real terms is really cumbersome here. So hence it would be appropriate to change the base year from 1916 as a 100 series to 2016 as a 100 series for payment of dearness relief even to those pensioners who retired prior to 1st November 2022. So in this connection, be furnished here under two types of conversion factors. First, by direct method of simple merger of DR at 8088 points CPI, and second by simple merger of DR at 8088 points. So यहाँ पे दो methods हैं, direct method of simple merger and simple merger of DR at 8088 points CPI BPS on cumulative basis for computing the notional basic pension of pensioners by merger of DR at 8088 CPI for payment of dearness relief to all bank pensioners with base year 2016 as a 100 series. So ये चार्ट है यहाँ पे काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. CPI merger points existing and proposed by direct and cumulative method. You can see the difference 1987 to 1990, 82 to 93. अगर existing 600 है, proposed आपको पता है सभी में 8088 है. सो डायरेक्ट मेथड के हिसाब से देख सकते हैं आप और क्यूमुलेटिव मेथड के हिसाब से. सो क्यूमुलेटिव मेथड के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा फिगर्स आप हैं जो कि आप बड़े इजीली यहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स देख सकते हैं. तो देखेंगे 2017 टू 2022 जो क्यूमुलेटिव मेथड से फिगर्स हैं वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम 1.3038 एंड डायरेक्ट मेथड से भी वही है 1.3038. तो यहाँ पे वीडियो को पॉज करके इस चीज़ को फ्रेंड्स ज़रूर देखें आप, बिकॉज दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हेयर. सो वी आर ऑफ द व्यू दैट सिंपल मर्जर by part wise on cumulative basis is justified and can be adopted for the following reason. The situation of lower benefit to the pensioners retired since long when compared to recent pensioners can be avoided. So it is appropriate and justified benefit to the senior pensioners. The benefits may seem little more, but considering the age and also less number of such senior pensioners, this benefit would be the consolidation to those senior pensioners who are struggling to meet their increasing expenses due to spiraling escalation in cost of the essential items. So we request you to convene a meeting at the earliest to discuss on the captioned subjects toward early resolution of the issue, as early more than 2 years have lapsed since the effective date of conversion of base year to 2016 as 100 series to all those pensioners who retired on and from 1st November 2022 onwards. So please acknowledge the receipt of this communication and advise us the developments in this regards. So friends, you can see the calculations are very in favor of us, and you can see the जो increase है यहाँ पे वो काफ़ी it is appropriate and justified benefit to the senior pensioners, and the benefit may seem little more by considering the age and also less number of such pensioners, the benefit will be in the consolidation to those senior pensioners who are struggling to meet their increasing expenses due to escalation in cost of essential items. So overall this circular is very important, friends, so please make sure to share this and please like the efforts and subscribe to the channel for the latest banking, pension and related upcoming updates के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को फ्रेंड्स जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. So that's all for the time being. Take care all. Thank you.